Hi Hadi, today we're going to see a nice calligraphy of Islamic handwritings. Let's see the drawings and starting from the right side, we're drawing a vertical line you can see here. Okay, in this point you can see another vertical line. And this is here, you can see. All right. Okay, and connecting these lines. Sometimes we see different types of graphics for special drawing types. All right. So the graphical styles you can see here. This has a significant special types of characteristics. All right. So it looks like a square block systems. Now we are going to put the more deep color with a marker. Let's use a whiteboard marker with a bigger depth and filling up the whole spaces inside. There's a very dark color you can see here. Then I'm moving to the next one, filling it up entirely the inside area, and the other one, and the next one. Okay, filling up the top portion. So usually we're filling up the in between spaces in the middle. All right. So some designs you can see on top, and few graphical outlines is left here. So that's very nice style, significantly different. And also we're going to fill up this space at the top. Okay, now you can see that the drawing looks good. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.